Ooh, here it is. So it's pretty cool because if this gives me a nice blowout, I might not have to straighten my hair with a straightener. So I'm looking forward to that. My hair looks crazy. By the way, I have really curly hair. So if this works out for me and I have really curly hair and my hair is hard to blow out. So if this works for me, it should probably work for you then. I don't know. We'll see. So here's the first side. Wow, look at that, and look at that shine. I'm like impressed. I really am impressed, and that only took me, this side only took me like 15 minutes. Like 15 minutes. So let's do this side, and yeah, I'm so excited. So here is the final look. I literally have never ever done a blowout this nice ever. I am pretty impressed, and I would totally recommend this to anybody because my hair is very big, very curly. I have a lot of hair and it was so easy. It only took me about like 30 minutes, maybe like 40 minutes, but I am very impressed and I love this. I give this a big thumbs up. I totally recommend this.